welcome back to Adike's InfoTech channel. In this session, I have come up with another one interview question. So the question is, how do you convert single row from source into three rows into target? Okay. So let's assume the scenario. We have a source table containing three columns. Okay, column one, column two, column three, and there is only one row, which is ABC. Or we can add one more row here, A, B, C, D, E, F, and you can add n number of rows. Okay. So for this scenario, I'm just taking two rows. Okay, which has two rows into the table. So now the answer is what the interview will ask is there is a target table contains only one column, which is column one. Only one column. Okay, design a mapping so that the target table contains three rows as follows. Three rows like this A, B, C. In this scenario, we have two rows in the source, right? So let's add B, E, and F. So six rows. So the interview will ask to design a mapping to convert these rows into single row. So please watch this video till the end so that you will get a clear idea how you can design a map for this particular questions. So normally we would go with what here happening is here we are just transposing the columns into rows, right? So we can use a normalizer. So the normalizer it will generate DK ID, GC ID, right? So the interview will ask without using normalizer how you can design the mapping for this scenario. Okay, I'll just mention this here without using normalizer transformation. Okay, with using normalizer, we can easily transpose the columns into rows, right? But the interview will ask you how good you are in technical. Okay, there are some these mappings will be there automatically. This transformation it will convert, right? But without using this normalizer, how you can convert? How you the interview will think that how you can think without using this normalizer, what are the other solutions, what are the other possibilities to convert these rows into one single column. Okay, now let's design this. I have created a source and a target table here. Source table name is transpose. Here I am taking three columns and I have inserted the records into this table. Okay, so these are the records which I have inserted A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Okay, and I have created a target table which contains only one column. Okay, so which contains only one column. Now we need to load all these into single column. Okay, so it should be A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. As I said here, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. So this is the output. Now let's design a mapping. I have already imported the source and target here. You can see this is this source transpose table and this is the target table. Okay, I have already imported here. You can see I'm just directly creating the mapping. So I have named the mapping name as m underscore trans underscore columns. Okay, so now what we have to do, we have to import the source. Okay, source I have imported and the target is transport TGP. Okay, just minimize this. Yeah, so we have source here and we have a target here. So now how we can do this? See, we have a source qualifier here, we have three columns. So what we need to do, we need to send each column to only one column tab. Here it has a table set. I'll just re-import the target table. Where is the transpose? Yeah, transport TGT. Okay, replace. So now I have only one column. Okay, what I'll do, I just remove this and will import target transport target. So now we have one column. Okay, Hmm. So there is a possible way to convert the columns into rows. Okay, how we can do is, so we have to pass the same column to the target, right? So let's try to do like this. So I have mapped one column to the target table and the second column to same target, but it will not allow, right? It will not allow. So in Informatica, you can connect one column to another column. That's it. You cannot connect multiple columns to the single column. So to do this, how we can do? We can take one expression here. Okay. So we need to pass three columns out there, right? So I'm just taking here three expressions. Okay. So what I will do, I'll just pass only one column to one expression and the second column to second expression and the third column to third expression. So in this way, I have just separated the three columns. Okay. I've separated the three columns here and I need to pass each column to the target. So here I cannot pass all these column to single column, right? How we can do this? You just uh, copy this one target, create instances, two instances. Okay, Informatica will think here the target instances are created, but it doesn't mean that we are creating three targets. Okay, I'm just creating three instances. So now we'll pass these columns to one column in the target. So in this way, what is happening here? A, B, C are coming. I'm just dividing A to one expression, B and C. And then what we are doing, Informatica, what it will do, how it will process the record, it will process record by record, right? So column A will store here, and then B next record, it will go to the next record, second, and three column, the record is C. So it will go to the next. So in this way, A, B, C, like this it will generate. Okay, now let's validate this. You can see the mapping is valid. Let's generate workflow, reusable workflow. So here give the connection details. These are the target. This is also target. This is also target. Okay. Next. So the workflow name is WFM trans columns. Okay. Next. Finish. Let me go to the workflow. So trans columns. This is a workflow which we have created, right? So let's open this. Let's check the connection details again. Go to mapping tab. Source, we have a source connection. The target, we have target. Here you need to change it to normal. If you want to truncate, do truncate. And you can apply all these two at a time. So I'm just sending the same property to all instances. These all are instances, right? So here it is automatically the option is created. Now in the same way, normal also I'm just applying to all instances. So target one has same target. So all has the same properties. Apply, okay, save it. So now you can see the workflow is valid. Let me run the workflow. Start workflow. So it got succeeded. You can see here from source we are passing three records, and for each one we are loading the three records. Okay. Now let's check in the table. So this is the source, right? So we have three rows. Okay. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Now it should be in the target. It should look like this. This is the required output. Okay, Oracle target. Before there is no data in this table. Now I'm executing. See, you can see the results A, D, G, P, E, G, H, I. But here, what is happening? It's not in a what do you say? Here source. What is there? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. But it's not in a order format. Okay. What you can just sort. You can put a sorter and you can sort based on the column. Okay. So you will get A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. So this is how you can design a mapping an interview question. This is a question asked by the Capgemini and as well as Morgan Stanley, because in the banking domain they will be using these kind of scenarios. So if you explain in this way, how you have designed the mapping, like from source column where you can take three expressions and you can pass each column to each expression, and from each expression to and the target instances. Set. If you explain this one, then the interview will think that okay, you have the knowledge on designing how to design the mappings. Okay, so I hope you liked it. If you have any questions or doubt, you can just uh, provide your inputs in the comment section. If you need any interview questions answers also, you can just let me know in the comment section. So I'll try to design it here and I'll upload the videos. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do like, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.